welcome back to Hoffman Leatherworks. Just here to show you a quick video on how to use our new acrylic keychain template. We got a lot of these acrylic templates coming out. People really like those, so we're going to have a lot more coming in the future, but here's just a quick little video to show you actually how to use it. It's really simple, but never hurts. So yeah, as you can see here, we just take the template. It's 3mm acrylic, so it's really strong and it's going to last for a long time. You just put it down on your leather, use a pencil, pen, awl, whatever you want. Score it out, give it a, cut it out however you do. On this one I'm just using the scissors. So just cut it out. It has all the rivet holes and everything already there for you, so you can really punch out a lot of these very, very quickly, and it's a great way to use up some of your extra leather scraps and get a little bit more money flowing into your shop very easily. And you see, we just use the template, score around it, cut it out. Said this is a real simple but very, very nice keychain. Just punch a couple holes for the rivets. On this one I use copper rivets, but of course you can use any kind of rivet that you want. The ones I have are really too long, but they work just fine. You just cut them off anyway. So this one I'm just using a split ring. You can, of course, use almost anything you want on the end of that. This actually could be used, do some tooling on your leather and use it for an ID tag, a luggage tag, almost anything you want. But I'm just showing you the keychain version here. Said any rivet, of course, you can punch those holes any size you need, and there you go. In a matter of minutes, you have a nice sellable item that will last your customer a lifetime. And I'll show you, I use another one here with a little bit different piece instead of the split ring. And of course, the options are limitless. You can really do whatever you want here, but I just wanted to thank you for stopping by, and hope you'll check out our Etsy store and get some of these new templates, and hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks.